Good morning. In the last video, we learned how to calculate the surface area of a rectangular prism. In this video, we are going to go one step further and calculate the surface area of a solid cuboid. So what is surface area? Surface area of a three-dimensional shape is just done by calculating the sum of all the areas of the faces of the three-dimensional shape. So for example, in a rectangular prism, there are 6 faces. We just add the area of the 6 faces, and that is the total surface area of a rectangular prism. So let's look at the cuboid. A cuboid looks like this, okay? It's just like a cylindrical can, okay? So we are going to find the surface area of this cylinder. A solid cylinder means the top and the bottom is solid, and also the body in the middle there, okay? If we were to cut the cylinder into half, cut to the line there, it is actually made up of 3 parts. The top is the circle, the bottom is another circle, and this part here, the dark blue part, is actually made of a rectangle with the height as 10 and the length here is the circumference of the circle, 2 times pi times r. So we are going to calculate the surface area of this cylinder. So this cylinder is made up of 2 circles and a rectangle, and let's do it. Okay. So first we are going to calculate the surface area of the 2 circles. Okay. So the area of the circles, if you have learned before, area of circles, we calculate the first circle is pi times radius times radius. Because there are 2 circles, 1, 2, we're just going to multiply by 2. So what you're going to do now, put in your calculator, pi, the radius is 4.5 because the diameter is 9. The radius is 4.5, so 4.5 times 4.5, and because there are 2 circles, we multiply by 2, and the answer will come up to 127.23 centimeters squared. So that is the area, surface area of the 2 circles. Next, we are going to calculate the dark blue part. It's made up of the height here. The height of the cylinder is 10. And the length here is actually the circumference of the circle. The circumference of the circle is 2 times pi times r. So now we're going to calculate the area of the rectangle. Area of rectangle is going to be length times width. Okay. The length is 2 pi r. And the width is the height, which is 10. So we're going to put 2 times pi. The radius is 4.5 because the circle is 4.5. So the radius is 4.5 and the height is 10. Put in your calculator and the answer will come up to 282.74 centimeters squared. So to calculate the area of the whole cylinder, so area or surface area of the cylinder, you add the 2 circle and the rectangle, so going to be 127.23, add with 282.74, put in your calculator, and the answer is 409.97 centimeters squared. So again, to calculate the area of a cylinder, is made up of 2 circles and a rectangle, and then just add the 2 circles and the rectangle area, and you will come up with 409.797. Have a go at it again, change the numbers, and see whether you can master how to calculate the surface area of a cylinder. Have a good day, everyone, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.